The topic of today's video is how to claim your Spotify artist profile. So, step one would be to have a song or songs ready for release. So, you need to get yourself a distributor. Once you have your distributor, you have tons of options: DistroKid, TuneCore, Songtradr. The sky's the limit, Symphonic, and so forth. What you then need to do is release a song with your distributor. Now, release times are of course going to depend on your distributor, but I would advise you to set your release times to be a little bit longer if you have the option available to you. So once you have a song that is released, what you want to do is head over to Spotify for Artists. And in here, we are going to click on Get Access, and it's going to run you through the steps that I mentioned over here. And then we're going to press Access Profile. Now we need to select either artist or manager or label team member. In here, we need to either continue with Google, so we're basically signing into our Spotify account, or put in your email. Now, this is what it's going to look like. So here you are going to either search for your artist name, but I would recommend going to Spotify, finding your artist profile, so searching your artist name, and on your profile you're going to click on the three little dots here, click on share and copy link to artist. Then you can jump back over to Spotify for Artists and you're going to paste your artist profile right here. And that is going to take you to another screen where you are just going to fill out some important information. Unfortunately, I just can't show you here, as I have already done this. But from here, it'll be pretty self-explanatory. It'll be things like names, emails, so forth. And then you'll just have to wait for Spotify. Could take anywhere from a week for them to approve you, and you'll have access to your Spotify artist profile. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing as well. We drop content like this on the regular, and I will see you in the next video.